Hey guys, today we're going to talk about Go, Grow, and Glow foods. So, let's start. Go foods, as the name suggests, give you energy. These are your carbohydrates and fats. Examples of carbohydrates are pasta, bread, and rice. Butter and cheese are some examples of fat. Grow foods are your proteins. These are your milk, beans, and meat group. It helps your body grow and develop strong muscles and bones. Here are some examples. There's seafood, chicken, red meat, eggs, nuts, and of course milk. Now finally we have glow foods. These are fruits and vegetables. This gives you vitamins and minerals and it keeps you healthy and strong. These are some examples of your glow foods. Tomatoes, ginger, cucumbers, potatoes, bananas, carrots, apples. Of course, don't forget your green and leafy vegetables. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye.